How to create your TikTok account. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is go on your TikTok account or tap on TikTok Lite. As you tap into TikTok Lite, it will take you to the page where the videos will be shown. Here, tap on your profile by tapping on Me, which is on your bottom right corner of your screen. Now, it will show you some options in which you can sign up your TikTok with. Tap on your desired option. Now add your number or add your email. I am going to add my number. After I'm done with my number, I am now required to add the password. Create a new password for your TikTok. After this, you are required to set your birthday. After this, you are all set to use your new TikTok Lite app. In this way, you can create new account in your TikTok Lite. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.